Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Saturn. I know this was not the outfit I was wearing today, by the way. I actually had a bit of an incident not long ago, so I had to change my outfit. I ended up spilling my drink on my shirt, by the way, so which obviously forced me to change. So obviously I changed. So this was not the outfit I was wearing. Clearly. But you guys won't know because I didn't show the outfit that I was wearing today. So, getting back on topic. I'm going to be talking about Saturn. I have a page and a half that I wrote down. So I got some notes here right in front of me. So I'll be talking to you guys about Saturn. There is more information about Saturn than there is about Earth. Apparently, so I found out there was not really much about Earth, but there is actually quite more about Saturn. I'm sure there is going to be more information about other planets too as we move further along in space. Now, in my previous videos, I spoke about space and time, which included time travel and what is space and evolution. And then my second space video that I talked about was Earth. So in that Earth video I spoke about its creation and its evolution. And I'm pretty sure I mentioned about its climate as well. And its orbit. But anyway, moving on with today's topic for space. I'm talking about Saturn. So I'm just going to dive into this information that I wrote down for you guys. Alright? So I'm going to get into it right now. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun, our star, and the second largest in our solar system. Saturn is a gas giant primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, and it is famous for its prominent ring system. Saturn is also known for its low density, being less dense than water and boats, at least 61 moons. Size and composition. Saturn is a giant, similar to Jupiter, composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, like I said before. It has a radius about 9 times that of Earth. So, you put Earth next to Saturn, right? Saturn is going to be bigger than Earth, which means if you put Earth near Saturn, you're going to see Saturn clear as a bell, right? Day and night, you'd be able to see its rings. You'd be able to see it turn, right? That's the scary part about Saturn, if you put Earth near Saturn, right? I know you've probably seen people do AI videos of what Earth would look like if the planets were up close. Well, that's just kind of like how it is. Okay, just imagine those AI videos, okay? Just imagine if all those planets were so close to Earth. Just imagine for a second how terrifying and beautiful it is at the same time, knowing that you're so close to these planets. Alright? Just imagine it. Just imagine that it could be possible. But coming back to reality, it's not possible. Okay? We need a telescope to see these planets. depending if these planets make a close approach during each alignment, which only happens every few years. All right, so I've been lucky enough to see three planets actually, up in the night sky right here above my head in the exact location that I'm living in. And they were so bright I was able to see them with the naked eye from Earth without the help of a telescope and no binoculars. Because they were so bright, so big, and super close to Earth. I could not believe it. I have that video in my shorts. Okay, go check it out. I will put that shorts link in this video for you guys. Moving along. Saturn's moon. Saturn has a large number of moons, with at least 61 confirmed, including the largest, Titan, which is also its moon. So 61 confirmed, including the largest, Titan, which would make 62 moons, right? Now, Saturn's location. It is the 6th planet from our star, aka the Sun, like I said before, and it orbits at a distance of approximately 1.4 billion kilometers. History of Saturn. The planet is named after the Roman god Saturn, who was associated with agriculture and wealth. The Roman festival of Saturnalia was in fact a celebration connected to the planet and to its associated god. So there we go, there's a bit of history behind Saturn, one of the largest planets in our solar system. Over the page for the last bit of info. Now we're going to move on to Saturn's rings. Saturn's rings are a vast system of icy and rocky particles orbiting around the planet, and they are currently disappearing and reappearing from our view due to Saturn's tilt. This is a temporary effect caused by the angle at which we view the rings from Earth. While they seem to vanish, they are still present and will become visible again as Saturn's orbits change. So there you have it. There's some information about Saturn and its rings and the history behind it. Now, if you want to know more about Saturn, you can go on Google, get some more information, or you can go to your local library, get out a book, and do the research that way. So kids, I hope these videos help you with your science homework if you're talking about space. Alright, so I just wanted to get Saturn over and done with because I said I do Saturn. I'm sorry if I was talking too fast. I don't mean to. I just want to get this over and done with. So my next planet I'm doing is Venus. My next planet after that I'll be doing Mars. It's either Mars or Planet X. I don't know. It depends on which one I do first. Not holding my breath to that one. I guess whatever comes into mind. So I hope this actually helped you with your homework. Okay, so kids, be patient through this video and listen to the info carefully. Alright, I'm sorry that I spoke fast. I don't mean to. If you don't understand anything, you can play the video back and have another listen. It is entirely up to you. All right. So I'm going to wrap this up now. All right. I'm going to have my other links in the description. All right. So you can view those videos as well, which might also help you with your homework. All right. So I was going to sum it up. If you like my videos, don't forget to smash the like button. Notifications bells optional. Comments and questions left down below. Please be mindful, respectful, okay? I have rules for my YouTube, all right? Okay. For one, do not, and I repeat, do not bully. Do not swear. I know I swear in my videos, but in my comments, that's different. I don't want swear words in my comments. Do not call me babe. Do not call me honey. Do not call me baby. Do not call me sweetie. Do not call me any of those names, okay? Why? Because I am not interested in you guys, all right? I'm interested in my fans, okay? I am not interested in dating any of you guys, all right? I just want to put that out there, all right? If you do not speak English, then don't comment because I don't understand, all right? It's simple as that. If you cannot understand English, then don't, comment. Why? Because I do not understand your language. I prefer English speaking people to leave me comments. Why? Because I'm able to understand. Unless you're going to translate for me, then by all means, go and translate. All right, leave a translation link in your comment so I can click on it and translate what you're saying. Because I speak English and English only. All right, I understand British English, Australian English, which is actually British English. Okay, so they're actually one and the same. And I understand American English. All right. So please speak English. I am not going to stress that again. English. Full on English. Please. All right. If you can't follow my rules, then, that's on you, not on me. Okay. I'm just trying to do my job at entertaining you guys. All right? Having said that, I love you guys. All right? I love my fans. I do appreciate your shares, your likes, your comments. And I do appreciate your subscribes. All right? So, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.